Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss what rank function in C#.NET. So this code that I already written to use the rank function. Now here let's take the cursor on the rank. So here you can see this is int array rank get. So gets the rank number dimension of array. For example, one dimension array 1, 2, 2 and 3 dimension that return 3 rank. The rank number of dimensions. So it's all depend upon the dimension. So when you give one dimension and going to calculate the rank, so it will give the output 1 for 2 dimension 2 and 3 dimension that return the value 3 and here like so on 4 dimension 4 5 dimension 5. So let's run the output first, run the program first, and here you can see this the single dimension array a double r1 a double r2 2 dimension here 2 comma that means 3 dimension, and this is not 1 2 3 4 dimension, this is the jagged array. So jagged array if you are going to use then that return the rank 1. So about the jagged array that I already discussed on my previous videos. Okay, so this is the jagged array, here jagged array. Now jagged array or rank it's displaying 1. So here you can see a double r 1, this is the single dimension, and calling the rank method rank function, so it's returning 1 a double r2 second dimension calling rank function, so here it's returning 2. This is the a double r3 3 dimension calling rank, so it's returning 3. Now here this is the jagged array, so jagged array that return rank 1. And if you are going to give a 4 dimension array, so let's give a 4 dimension array. You need to copy this and paste it down and give the unique name a double r4, and here you need to r4 already is there. Okay, so what we need to do, let's make that comment, and here let's give one more semicolon. Now at this place you need to specify 3 3 already is there. Now you need to specify one more, so let's give 2. Now there is no any error, so this time a double r4 is the 4 dimension array, so it will create the rank 4. Now here let's run and see the output. So now you can see the output for it's a rank created. So rank function is usually used to check or dimension of array in C#.NET. So according to dimension that return the output. Okay, and there is one important point, jagged array that the rank 1. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.